We're checking out a 2-bedroom apartment, fully furnished with electronics in Blue Mountains in Shastri Nagar. What a great society, great community, fantastic people living around. You got Eden Woods there, Royal Resort and Blue Mountains, surrounded by greenery and plenty of sunshine, rain and greenery. That's Shastri Nagar. What a great lane. And the tower is here, Blue Mountains. You got Montreal, Royal Resort, Edenwood and Blue Mountains. We're going to check out a 2-bedroom in this one. What great locality and amazing people around. Shastri Nagar, Lokhandwala, Sundarwan, all neighbors and neighboring localities. Fantastic gyms, superb retails all around. That's another view of Blue Mountains right at Bhaktivedanta, right outside here. What a great lane this is, terrific. I love this area. My career started in Lokhandwala, Warsaw. So that's why I have special affinity for this. You got another entry and exit from here too, opposite Bhaktivedanta School. A beautiful school, very popular and renowned. And that's a tower, Blue Mountain Tower. These are the gems in Shastri Nagar. It's so much open parking and space everywhere to move around and about. We're going to check out the apartment. Let's go. We're checking out a lovely and a beautiful, fully furnished with electronics apartment. The lock system with the fingerprint, with the numerical, with the key for the maid as well. We enter and we will shut the door and I'll check out a massive, humongous and a gorgeous apartment on sale. 1 crore spent on interiors, imported chairs, as you can see, higher floor, Blue Mountain, Shastri Nagar, Lokhandwala. It's beautiful, it's marvelous, it's gorgeous and outstanding. No doubt about that. Got plenty of storage. They've created a lot of storage everywhere. And the air cons of the highest quality, the wood of the highest quality. And this is customized, Indian made, imported dining, hanging beautiful lights. So what I'm going to say to you is the sound bars will go away with the cellar, and the dishwasher and the utility and the washing machine. Dishwasher and the washing machine will go away. Otherwise everything stays as is where is basis. Excellent. I will mention the square feet and the price in the description. Let's check out. This was a common bedroom with a common bathroom, but this has been made into attached. The door has been created like this. Look at this spick and span. There are always maids cleaning up and doing the upkeep and the maintenance. This is a little study area on a higher floor. Lokhandwala, so promising. Construction everywhere. Very planned and a great locality, great gentry. The big wardrobes, plenty of storage everywhere, as you can see. I'll show you the storage as well. That's the storage. And look at this, beautiful and magnificent. Trust me, this is you can't get an apartment like this. Plenty of storage created here. And what they've done is there was a wall here. So there was a wall here. They broke the wall and they made storage for this bedroom. There's plenty of storage out here. So that they've utilized now into storage. Now what we have is the crockery unit here and storage above as well, as you can see here. Okay, so let me go inside again into this bedroom and show you the ensuite, both with the attached bathroom. All the lock system in the cupboard, so nobody can access except you. Higher floor, so I let the curtains leave it open. Alexa, switch off the curtains. So it's all Alexa automated. Just give you a command and she'll do it. What a fantastic atmosphere. Let's go into the kitchen, the final bit. Have a look at the storage. They've created so much massive storage. The masala unit, the grocery. So the dishwasher and the washing machine will go away, and the sound bars, except these, everything stays. So have a look at the kitchen properly. Okay, there's plenty of wind coming in, so you have, if you open this, it's very windy. That is windy as hell. Amazing. So that's what it is. It's a 2-bedroom Blue Mountain, Shastri Nagar, with Rafiq Merchant. If you want to come check this out, holla at me. This is fully furnished with electronics. An awesome apartment. Jackass. See you soon. Cheers.